You turned the light off.
No, I turned the video on.
I'm pushing down on it. There's another one somewhere, right here. Wait a second, I know a way to kill some of this grass. It's right.
No, don't do it in the grass. It might fall over. It'll be perfect right there on the sidewalk.
I can't. Oh, dang it, I thought that was going to work. They're all so close. Maybe the biggest one is grass. There's time for the
Are you gonna light the biggest one?
Well, there's one more
I'll take it
left.
out to the...
I'll show you where we like this one. But before we light this, I need another lighter. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna get you one with the child. I'm just gonna get...
Ooh, good catch.
I only hurt my finger just a little bit. I know you have another lighter somewhere, because we need one. You would have one, right? This is the only lighter you have anymore. Mom's drawer.
For what? What are you talking about?
You need another lighter so you can light the other one while I light the little one so it looks awesome.
Okay, you just tell me the plan.
You're gonna, this one has like something on it.
That's called lotion. And that's for Mia.
Wait, don't light it now. I thought you were
I don't have anything. I just checked to make sure it worked.
You're gonna light that big one while I light this little one. So go light the
I
big
thought
one.
you were gonna light the big one.
No, you're gonna light the big one.
Okay.
I wanna do mine pretty close. I'm gonna do mine.
You coming with me? Oh, you're doing yours on the top of the trash can?
Grandma, you go light that one, and you're not my grandma.
But I wanted to record you. That's
Well, let's do it and see. Okay, you.
But it'll be too far away. I need to be close to you.
No. Just light your own fire.
All right, I'm going to light mine right now.
Gimme.
It's recording.